This
Eight
conference will
types.
now be recorded.
Eight types.
Okay. What are those locators?
That ID, name, class name, CSS selector, XPath, partial link test, link text.
Okay. In how many ways we can select a value from the drop down?
Select by value,
Anyone?
select by index, select by visibility text.
Okay. Which class are used to select a value from the drop down? Which class?
Select class.
Okay. How to take a screenshot?
Using take screenshot as method.
Take screenshot.
Take screenshot interface.
Okay.
Okay. Take screenshot interface. By using this, we can able to perform the take the screenshot over the particular web driver. Okay. How to handle alerts? By
Using
switching to
alert
alert.
class. Yeah.
Yes. By switching to alert, alert dot accept, alert dot dismiss, alert dot send keys, alert dot set credentials. These are the methods available in the alert class. Now we are going to perform mouse actions. Mouse actions means anything that performed with the help of mouse is called mouse actions. See, మనం click operation అనేది, see for example, I want to click here. For example, I want to click here. ఇక్కడ click ఇవ్వాలి. By using this way also I can transfer keyboard actions యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, మౌస్ యాక్షన్ యూజ్ చేసి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఆర్ బై యూజింగ్ సెలీనియం కోడ్ ద్వారా అయినా ఐ కెన్ గో నావిగేట్ టు పర్టికులర్ పేజ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దీని మీద క్లిక్ చేయాలి, ఇలా ఎంటర్ ఇచ్చినా సరిపోతుంది. ఇది కీబోర్డ్ యాక్షన్స్ ద్వారా, కోడ్ ద్వారా, లేదా నేటివ్ మెథడ్ లాగా ఇలా క్లిక్ ఇచ్చినా సరిపోతుంది. సి పెర్ఫార్మింగ్ ద నేటివ్ యాక్షన్స్ performing the native with native operations and ఇంకా without using default methods like click, send keys, performing native operations with the help of mouse is called actions in Java. Sorry, actions class in Selenium. Okay, I can tell you what are the different types of actions that we can perform with the help of types of actions performed with the help of actions class. Actions class uses ఏమేమి actions perform చేయొచ్చు I can tell you one after another so that you will get some clarification that we can perform the move to element. And the second one is click, and the third one is double click, and the fourth one is a right click. Right click or context click. Very important guys. Interview room లో ఖచ్చితంగా అడుగుతారు. How to perform right click in Selenium. Very important. How to perform right click in Selenium. Very short answer, short question, short answer. Definitely this will makes you helpful by using context click method in actions class we can perform right click operation. రైట్ క్లిక్ అంటే ఇంకా సింపుల్ అండి. చాలా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్‌లో రైట్ క్లిక్ అనేది ఉండదు. బట్ నేను చాలా కష్టపడి నాకు ఒక చోట రైట్ క్లిక్ దొరికింది. ఐ యామ్ షోయింగ్ యూ. రైట్ క్లిక్. I can show you. Right click మీద I got a one locator. By using this locator, we can perform the right click operations. Okay. This is also very important code in terms of right click. This is the right click. But this is not a web page right click. బేసిక్‌గా మనము లెఫ్ట్ క్లిక్ ఇచ్చి యాక్షన్స్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాం. But some elements we have the right click operation. See, I got it. See, this is the right click menu. See, దీని మీద right click ఇచ్చాక it is showing edit, copy, paste, delete. Okay, this is called the right click operations. The right click operations perform అక్కడక్కడ చేస్తాం. Very rare cases లో we can perform the right click operations. Okay, how to handle this I can explain you in a detailed way. And coming to I am using one more application, Orange HRM. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ కోసం ఫర్ ద ప్రాక్టీస్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్ యూ కెన్ యూస్ దిస్ అప్లికేషన్. Okay, freely available in the it's a open source application that everyone can use. For user ID and password also you can find here itself. See, username admin, password admin 123. Very basic application which it helps you to perform all the changes. మీరు ఏమేమి నేర్చుకుంటున్నారో సెలీనియంలో అయినా జావాలో అయినా those operations can be performed here with this application. Okay, this application can help you. See, నేను చెప్పాను కదండి, first one move to element. See, without moving to element it is not showing the options. See, admin దగ్గరికి వెళ్తేనే it is showing the options. జాబ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తేనే సబ్ టాపిక్స్ ఓపెన్ అవుతాయి. ఆర్గనైజేషన్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తేనే సబ్ టాపిక్స్ ఓపెన్ అవుతాయి. See, this is nothing but move to action. After performing move operation only the particular things are visible. ఇవన్నీ బటన్స్ డైరెక్ట్ దీన్ని ఎక్స్పాస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకునేసి క్లిక్ ఇస్తే ఇంకా ఓపెన్ అవుతాయి. క్లిక్ 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 ఇవన్నీ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద క్లిక్ ఆపరేషన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్. బట్ దిస్ యూజర్ నేమ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్, జాబ్, క్వాలిఫికేషన్, nationalities configuration, this will be enabled after performing mouse over. దీని మీద మౌస్ వెళ్తేనే ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లిక్ ఇస్తే చూపించదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ నావిగేటింగ్ సమ్ అదర్ థింగ్స్. బట్ వీ నీడ్ టు పెర్ఫార్మ్ మౌస్ ఓవర్ యాక్షన్స్. ఓకే, క్లిక్ ఆపరేషన్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఐ వాంట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ జాబ్ టైటిల్. Click operation, double click. Sometimes I want to perform double click operation. See, what is double click operation? I can tell you. ఈ పేజ్కి వచ్చాను. I want to enter some text. I enter some text. See, I want to highlight this text. ఇక్కడ ఈ టెక్స్ట్ ని నేను హైలైట్ చేయాలనుకున్నాను. I want to click double click. Double click ఇస్తేనే కదా. To perform double click operations we are using this method, that is double click method. Two timing perform click operations over an element. Okay, right click we already discussed. Okay, in this way we are able to perform the right click double click operations. Okay, see, this is context click is nothing but a name in the automation terminology. We can call it a context click for the right click operation. Okay, we call in automation terminology, we call it as a context click to perform right click operation. Okay. Okay, students. Context click is the operation which is used to perform the right click operation over the Selenium. Okay. And now I am going to explain you how the syntax will be there for the actions class. See here, actions is a class. In the interview room, they will ask you, what is actions? Okay, it is a class in Selenium which is used to perform keyboard and mouse operations. Okay, very important room. In the important for the interview room, they will ask you what is actions. Actions is a class. It is in Selenium which is used to automate keyboard and mouse operations in Selenium. Okay. See, I can tell you some how to write the actions class. See, I am writing actions. Actions, some reference. Act is equal to new actions. We can perform actions over different things. See, I can perform actions over the WebDriver. WebDriver means driver or web element. I we know web element. And specific element we are performing any operations is called the web element. Okay, we can perform anything. Then after that, with actions reference, there is a n number of methods will be available. Okay, move to element or double click or right click or I can say that context click. What is the use of context click? Anyone? This is the methods we can use with the
I
help of
think
the actions class. Right click operation. Very good. Okay, I can tell you the one program. See, I am using the same application right now. From here itself, I am getting this application, okay, from the home page itself. Meanwhile, I am creating one class. I am creating one method, public void login orange hrm. Before that, I need to set up login. I need to set up now. I am creating one more method. Okay, మనకు ఆల్రెడీ బేసిక్ సెటప్ చాలా సారీ అండి దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎంఆర్ బ్యాచ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు నావిగేట్ రాదు సారీ మనం యాక్చువల్గా మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్కడండి ఈవినింగ్ జేసన్ బ్యాచ్ కదా స్విచ్ టు జేసన్ బ్యాచ్ This is our framework. I am creating one class. In the class, I am creating one method. Public void orange HRM login. Before login, we need to set up login credentials enter చేసే ముందర we need to set up ఏం సెటప్ చేసుకోవాలి we need to set up the installation of driver అంటే ఇంకా ఈ బ్రౌజర్ ఓపెన్ అయ్యేసి ఈ పేజ్కి నావిగేట్ కానికి సమ్ స్టెప్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇది సమ్ సెటప్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ మీకు తెలుసు అది పబ్లిక్ వైడ్ సెటప్ okay. See, before entering login credentials, I want to navigate to this page. So, అందుకోసమనే I created a separate method for this. That is setup WebDriver set that property setup. We need to invocate the Chrome browser. Then we need to maximize that screen. Apply implicit weight. Okay. Then after that, we'll navigate into the particular URL. After that, I am creating one more method for entering the credentials and log into the application. I want to inspect this box. Inspect and I'm finding the ID text username. So I'm writing code driver dot. See, this driver is not able to see. Why means this is already defined in this class. ఈ class ఈ method define చేశారు. So we don't have the permissions to use other class functionalities in other class. So we need to define that in a class level. Public WebDriver driver. I am removing here WebDriver. See, anything we declare as a public, as a class levels that we can access anywhere. Now I can show you how to access here. Driver dot find element by dot id. What is that id? Text user name dot send keys. What I am passing here? Username admin. Then the same way driver dot find element by dot id. I will show you. I don't know which will inspect. Text password. Dot send keys. You think of the password? Yes. Then I want to perform click operations. This is we have the ID name will be available. Okay, I can take it as a first of all we need to search it. See, it is showing 4 matches, but matching is different. 4 results చూపిస్తున్నాయి. It is showing 4 results, but the name of the identifier is different. See, This is the type input, this is the type name. But locators, as per the Selenium, it will accept only 8 locators. ID, name, class name, tag name, link text like this. I can take ID or I can take name. Okay, I can take name. If ID is available, no need to take anything. ID is the unique element. But for our sake, I am taking. See what will happen if I run this code. I will give some time so that you can able to see what is the operation going on. And it is not important, but for the sake of our reference, it is executing fine or not. I am taking 1 second. Okay, without this also it will execute, but I am taking this for to clear view of the execution. How to call those methods in the main method? How to call what are the this type EVM methods and static methods, instance methods? Anyone? Is it instance method or static method? Anyone?
Instance.
Correct. How to call instance methods? By creating object for a class, we can call the instance method. చెప్పాను కదండి instance method. If you want to call the instance method, we need to create the object for the class. See this class, this method is showing some exception. Then we need to show the same exception here itself. Okay. See if I run this, what will happen? You can check it. See, it is navigated to the home page. See, I want to take the screenshot. Okay, we already write one the take screenshot method that is reusable component. If we call this automatically everywhere, screenshot will take into the pictorial. Yeah, you know that. Apart from Ajitesh, everyone is old for take screenshot. Correct? I am taking this method also. Okay, I am taking the screenshot after this login. How to call static methods? We can call directly. Correct? What is the web driver is driver? What is the file name here? Orange HRM login page. Same after submitting, clicking a login button, I want to take the screenshot. Same. How to call this screenshot? What is the file name? Orange HRM home page. The home page కదండి. After login it will be home page. See screenshot is taking the file name. See screenshot is throwing exception. While calling we need to take the same screenshot by using @throw declaration. Same here itself. See if I run this, see what will happen. After some amount of seconds, I need to close my browser. Public void tear down. Tear down means closing of browser driver. That close method. Before that, I need to wait for some seconds. Okay, here itself I am mentioning thread dot sleep for 4 seconds. See, first I need to set up it, come to home page, then come to login page, then I need to close my browser. Okay, these are the functionalities right now we are done. First one, we created one method for the screenshots. Then after that, what is the setup? We know that the setup we are taking. In each method, setup after in the home page itself, I am taking the screenshot. After login, I am taking the screenshot. After completion of login, I am closing the browser. See, I will run it. What will happen? You can see. After 4 seconds, it will close it. Okay. Now, in which location we are storing the screenshot? JSON automation testing. In this particular location, we are storing the screenshot. Correct? In a particular location, we are storing in a screenshot. See, Orange HRM login page. Yes or no? Then I am taking Orange HRM home page after logging successfully. Okay, students? Wherever the location you are passing, on that particular location only, the screenshots will be stored. This is your reference. Okay, yeah, I came to home login page. Yes, I came to home page after successful login. Okay, then I am going to perform some operations. Which operations I need to perform in this page? After logging into this page, I want to perform click move to admin and select organization and click on locations and click on location name. This is the thing I need to perform it. So I want to select some. I will create one more method. What is that? Public void admin functions. I am doing some XYZ functions using admin. Okay. First, what I need to do after successful coming to this home page, I want to perform this come to admin. Okay. Move to admin. Then I need move to organization. Then I did this is called the mouse actions. This is called the which type of actions? Move to element. Nothing but it's a mouse actions. Okay. See how I will perform these operations so that you will get some clarity.
మోహన్ గారు
Hmm. Yes.
మనం ప్రతిదానికి మెయిన్ మెథడ్ అలా ప్రతి ఫంక్షన్ మెయిన్ మెథడ్ రాసుకోవాలండి కంపల్సరీ.
Yes. In real time, all the scripts are written in the different methods.
ఓకే.
Okay. See, as per the Java standards, we don't need to write a particular method of more than 5 to 10 lines.
ఓకే.
Java అర్థమవుతుందండి. యాజ్ పర్ ద జావా స్టాండర్డ్స్ ప్రకారము వి డోంట్ నీడ్ అంటే ఇంకా 5 to 10 లైన్స్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ రాయొద్దు ఒక మెథడ్.
ఓకే.
Okay,
ఓకే.
we are not supposed to write more than 10 lines. Even we need to create a specific method for this.
ఓకే.
Okay, for everything, for password, everything will call automatically. See, if I write this method, take screenshot here itself. Again, here 3 lines extra code will be there. Here 3 lines extra code will be there. Yes or no?
ఎస్.
Okay, so that we are creating some reusable functionalities.
ఓకే.
Okay, see, I am going to take the action in this class. I am going to perform. See, after completion of this, I want to click perform. I want to move to element to here itself. The admin, see, basically, 1 second. in this position, default it will be in this position. Default this is not visible. After moving to the specific object only it is able to visible. So I want to move to this admin. First of all, I am taking this admin. See, very important, guys. From now onwards, parallelly, I will explain the XPath also. Okay. Now onwards, I will explain XPath as parallelly. Very important. But in every session, I will take parallelly regarding the XPath also, along with our regular activities. Okay. See, here admin is there. I'm taking the inspector. See, for this it is containing ID also. For this it is containing some text also. I will get this text. See how, see, this is the text which is inside the anchor tag. This is A tag. This is A tag, which is inside the anchor tag, which is inside the B. Simply I am taking 2/A. This is the text, means equal to, see, it is highlighting, but it is showing two results. But initially it is one record. What idella rasamante I will tell you. See, in the XPath I can tell you one basic concept. Basic concept. How to write XPath. Syntax చెప్తాను, very carefully listen, please guys. See, we need to pass in XPath. There are two types of XPath will be available. Two types of XPath will be available in Selenium. Those are, first one, absolute XPath, and the second one is relative XPath. Okay. Okay. For absolute XPath, it will be start from basic of HTML DOM page. Okay. Nothing but in ఈ HTML DOM page ఇక్కడ నుండి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి. అది అబ్సల్యూట్ XPath. See, I need to take it as a single slash header. Okay, that we have to take from the here itself, HTML itself. Okay, again we need to take it as a HTML div. See, I will tell you some example regarding absolute XPath. Okay, that is not good important. We definitely focus on relative XPath, but I will tell you absolute XPath will start from the basic of the HTML DOM page. It will be denoted with the single slash. Okay, that's all about the absolute XPath. Second one is the relative XPath. See, relative XPath is very important. There is a n number of operations we are going to perform by using the relative XPath. Okay, it will be start from anywhere of HTML DOM page. It will be denoted with the double slash, double forward slash. This is forward. Okay, guys. Double slash, forward, single slash, double slash. Now I am writing XPath for this admin with the help of relative XPath. See what is the tag name for the relative XPath means syntax for the relative XPath. Some basic syntax. There is a number of syntaxes will be available. First syntax is 2 forward slashes, tag name. Observe carefully, guys. Tag name at the rate name equal to value. Okay, here I explain you. 2 slashes denotes okay relative XPath. I am 2 slashes denoting that I am writing relative XPath. Here tag name is nothing but in which tag I am going to perform operation. In which tag allowing to perform operation. See, 2 forward slash. This is called tag name. Here A is the tag name, L is the tag name, UL is the tag name, DL is the tag name. See, if I click it, see entire main menu is highlighting. Div ID is tag name. See, I will write it here itself. Then after that, name is what is the name of the tag name. See, this is ID is equal to menu. Here ID is the name, main menu is the value. Here tag name is div. 2 forward slash tag name at the rate means selection of ID, selection of element started means at the rate denotes selection of element started. Name is name of the name inside a tag name. See guys, as much as practice that will get some clarity. XPath in the practice जैसे value inside a tag name. Very important. See, as per the code I will write 2 forward slash indicates I am writing which XPath, relative XPath. What is the tag name here? Div. I am copying this tag name div. Then after that again I am going to inspect it because in the div there is a number of available. What is the name? Name here is ID. Value is main menu. Opening closing the braces at the rate starting ID equal to in the single quotations I want to give. See what is highlighting? Entire main menu is highlighting. See, entire main menu highlight అవుతుందా లేదా అండి? Basically ID is directly having మనకు types of locators లో ID name class ఉంది కాబట్టి no need to write. Okay, but the process will be like this: 2 forward slash tag name, very important. 2 forward slashes tag name at the rate name of the tag name inside the name inside the tag name, value inside the tag name, name inside the tag name, value inside the tag name. Okay, in this way we need to write it. Okay, then after that we have some more things. How the tag name is developed, how that these things are developed means, see, this is the main menu. Is the main menu kadandi? Yes or no? This is the main menu. See, this is the main menu. This is the child menu. For this main menu. If this is the main menu, if this is the parent, then this will become the child to this person. See, for example, he is a father, he is a child, he is a sub child. Again, he is a father, he is a child, he is a sub child. See, he is a father, he is a child. Yes or no? If these all are fathers, then these all are become the childs to these fathers. Okay. See, if he is the father, he is the siblings. Siblings means you know that brothers and sisters within a family, within for the same father. For same fathers ki another only what we will call. See, very easy guys. No need to confuse. I will explain you. See, if he, for example, your grandfather is the head of your family. Okay. Yes or no? Grandfather, head of family. He is the head of your family. Yes or no? He is the head of your family. Who is the head of your family? This entire application. See, this HTML is the head of your family. See, if I select HTML, entire application is highlighting. Over this is the some childs. Avana kada? Yes or no? Over this entire HTML, over this entire header, entire HTML page, he is the parent, he is the child, he is the subchild, he is the subchild. Yes sir. If I want to find this element from here itself also we can find. You know your father name. Okay. Why we use XPath means for dynamic elements. The elements which don't have the ID, name, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, XPath, CSS. If these elements are not available or if these elements are duplicate, see, I know. See, it contains the admin. Somewhere it contains another admin means it will become duplicate. So while finding the objects, I will make the some difficulty to find that objects. For those objects, we can find with the help of the parent relationship. See, if a class contains 4 students, guys, okay, with the same name, okay, but they can identify with the help of ID name. Okay, if they don't have the ID name, you don't know ID name. For example, Ram, Sita, Lakshman, and some Bharata will be available in a class. See, there are 2 Rams will be available in a class. You know, 2 Rams are available in a class, but you don't know that person ID. Definitely, if you call Ram in a class, 2 person will raise their hands. Okay, to overcome this problem, we'll take some relationship. Who is the father of Ram1? So that I can call you Ram1 father of Bharata, Dasharatha Maharaja. Sorry, Dasharatha. He will call like this. Ram2, who is the Ram2 father? Say XYZ. So that by using Bharata, Dasharatha, son Ram, raise your hand in a class means automatically how many members will raise their hands? Anyone? ఒక క్లాస్ లో రామ్ ఉన్నాడండి, ఇద్దరు రామ్స్ ఉన్నారు. A class contains 2 Rams. You don't know the ID of that Rams. If you know the ID 101 Ram means 101 Ram will raise hands. If you call 103 Ram means 103 Ram will raise hands. But you don't know the ID. See, this ID is not given to this main menu. ID is not available. How we can identify this Ram name? Based upon this parent, some relationship. For everyone has some relationship. Based upon that father name, we can call who is the son of Dasharatha. Dasharatha father with Ram name, raise your hands in a class. So that one person will raise the hands in a class. అర్థమైందా లేదా అండి? Are you able to understand? Rajshekhar, Mahesh, Radha, Ajitesh.
Yes, bro.
Okay, okay. See, very important topic. Okay, so that I am taking this person relationship with some relationship. See, now I got this main menu. See what is here highlighting. If I click here, see one result is highlighting. Now these tags are the child to these tags. Oh, yes or no? For admin, these are the childs. Yes or no?
Yes.
For admin, these are the childs. See, for example, for Ram, see, for Dasharatha, who are the childs? Ram will be the child. Okay? Lakshman will be the child. Bharata will be child. And some other will be available. For Ram, sons will be available. Those are the, for example, this is Dasharatha. This is Ram. This is Ram children's. Lavakusha. Yes or no?
Yes.
The same way, this is the Dasharatha. This is Lakshmana. This is the Dasharatha. This is the son of, okay, son of Dasharatha. These are the childs to the who? For
Job.
Lakshmana. Yes or no? So, for admin, what is the relationship between user management and job? Siblings. Both are from the same parent. Yes or no? The user management, job, organization, qualification, these are the siblings to admin. అన్నదమ్ములే కదా. Yes or no? I got this parent relationship. I want to found this configuration. Simply, I will right click on this, find out this. See, here is the admin will be available. See, for this admin, these are all the childs. See, child 1, child 2, child 3, everyone will be available. For this parent, see, within this parent, see, here is the line will be there. Within this parent, all the elements are will be there. User management will be available. Jobs will be available. See, for this parent, these all are childs. For this admin, this is the child. See, you can change this. Within this div tag, you can find li. See, in this li, user management is available. In this li, job will be available. These are the childs to this parent. Two by using two forward slash, I am taking a. See, this is the parent. Sorry, where is the parent? I will show you. Sorry. This is the parent. These are the childs, where it contains the names. See, employee list will be available. Once again, I will refresh this down page so that you will get some clarity. See, this is the parent. See, I am showing you very clearly. Two forward slash div with the rate of ID equal to in the single quotations. Main menu. See, this is the parent is highlighting. See, entire this session is highlighting here above in the application. See, in this, I am going to take the child element. In this main menu, what is this admin is the another menu. Yes or no? I want to get to this admin. Simply, I'm going. This is inside this div. Inside this only div only this content. See, the div line showing. This is the line. Entire line is showing. Are you able to see a line here in the left side? Yes or no? Here in the left line, one line is in a invisible manner. It is visible. Yes or no? Okay. Over that, it contains n number of options. See, I'm going to take this A so that admin will be highlighted. See, 2/A. See, it is showing 87. 87 means see, admin is highlighting. If I click on next, see, user management selecting, which is inside the admin. See, for this main menu, this is the child. Yes or no? See, inside this again, I will show one more thing. Childs are selecting. Confuse ఏం లేదండి, చాలా easy. No need to confuse. Say I am taking highlighting some options up to here. Then after that, I am passing text which is contains inside this dot is equal to admin. See how many results are showing? Only one result is showing. See, I am taking the parent of this menu by using two forward slash means it will shows the all the subfields of that. What is the tag name here itself for admin? A. Inside this admin, we are taking contains text. For this dot denotes means there is no any tag name here. Just value is available. So I am taking dot equal to admin. I will write a code for this. Driver dot find element. On the day-to-day practice, you will get some idea. On the first class itself, no one will be the Excel. For me also, the first class is see I am storing this as a web element. Why means I am going to perform more operations over a single element. We are storing in the first class itself. నేను ముందే చెప్పాను కదండి. Anything we are performing more than one operation, we'll take it as a web element. Then after that, I am taking the actions class. Actions is equal to new actions. See over the driver. Next actions data move to element. Which element I need to move to specific element. Okay, the cursor will goes to the admin. See in the screenshot I will show you. See in the screenshot, highlight is in dashboard. Now highlight will goes to the admin. I will show you. See, move to element. See, if you are doing some operation in the actions class, just by clicking move to element, it won't perform. See, we need to perform explicitly. Perform operation submit chestane, it will perform some operations in the actions class. Okay. In the previously there we need to build it. Dot build dot perform only previously it is there. Now in the Selenium what will happen means within this perform only inbuilt method build is performed. Okay. I am calling this method. How to call this method? Same. The reference data admin functions. I am taking here some screenshot. Admin highlight. I am removing this screenshot in this location. I am running this code. See what will happen. 1 second, guys. Why it is not moving to element? Move to element, it is moving, but we need to perform click operation over there. See what will happen. Why 1 second? There is some issue now. 1 second, I will show the console what will happen. Invalid session, no such session exception. Why it is showing some exception? Invalid session ID. Exception. 1 second. Right now I will take in this way. We'll see what will happen. A dot double equal to admin. Mhm. 1 second, guys. I will check and let you know what is the issue here. Invalid session ID. See, now it is clicking operation. What happened means here itself, basically after taking the screenshot, here itself, the cursor is not unable to navigate to admin position because this will be written separately. So that after taking the screenshot, driver, I will explain you. Every time driver, this driver, this driver will interact to this application over specific ID. After changing the method functionality itself, this will be changing the ID name so that it is showing that no session is available. Okay, basically ఏం లేదండి, every time WebDriver interact to these elements while creating this instance of WebDriver, new Chrome driver instance created, this will interact to the elements with a specific ID. Okay, here itself, after navigating to the home page, what happened means this driver session is getting expired. Why it is expiring, I don't know. I will debug it and let you know. So that then after that, it is able to perform operations by using actions class within the same method. Okay. If I write a separate method, after coming to here itself, the session ID is getting expired. This driver session ID is getting expired. So that instead of writing separately, within that I am creating the same method. So that we are able to perform some operations over there. See in the screenshot itself. What is the name admin highlighted? See here admin is highlighted. Previously it is highlighted to dashboard. See here it is highlighted to admin. Okay students, not an issue. Basically the session ID is not able to recognize in this method. Okay, so that I am not creating this method right now. Within the same method only I am writing. Okay, that's all about today's session. Tomorrow we'll move some more operations. As of now, move to element is done. Then we click operation also completed. Move to element is completed. Click operation completed. Then we are going to perform double click, right click operation in this functionalities. Okay, guys, please practice. Without practice, you can't do anything. నేను కూడా ఏం చేయలేను ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోయేసరికి I found new thing session ID based on my previous experience. I found it. Okay, make a note it guys, very important, this program. You want, you can take a screenshot. Okay guys, that's all for today's session. You have any questions, please let me know. Now you can't understand why session ID is expired. Basically on the day-to-day practice you will know what is the issue with this failure. I will explain you to find out the reason also.
మోహన్ గారు,
Okay, yes Kiran.
టియర్ డౌన్ అనేది డ్రైవర్ డాట్ క్లోజ్ ఒకదానికే వాడతామా?
We can use tear down means for anything closing. Session closing we are using. Driver.quit also we can use it. Okay.
ఓకే.
I am saying that these methods are used in terms of a real-time project. Okay.
ఓకే.
Okay, guys.
ఓకే.
You got some clarification on the actions class. Okay.
And
Okay.
need more clarification on relative XPath.
Yeah, relative XPath, it's a ocean. On day-to-day basis, I can inject you one methods. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Rashekar, basically XPath is a ocean. I am taking one after one thing. First, you practice
Okay.
this. Okay. What
Okay.
you have to practice is tag name at the rate of ID. ID. If name value is available, then we can take like this tag name, some tag name. I can say the tag name A. If no class name is available, I am taking A equal to in the single class, I am taking admin. See here itself, we are taking itself. If anything will be stored within this, okay, this is within this greater than symbol, less than symbol, okay, within the symbols. For this, see ID is available, value name is available, ID is available. See name available, value available, name value, name value. But if anything stored here in this way, you need to take it as a dot equal to admin. Or if ID is available, I can take this in a different way. See, to /a at the rate of ID equal to here. See, here tag name is A. Here ID is available, name as a at the rate ID equal to menu admin services. See, it is highlighting to menu management things. This is the first thing. There is a n number of things will be available, like following siblings, following siblings అంటే ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను కదండి brothers following ancestors means your forefathers parent child okay contains starts with ends with we are going to as much as possible descendant okay I will explain all these things okay no problem okay I will explain all this content on the day-to-day activities on the day-to-day different examples so that you will get some idea okay first of all you need to know what is ancestors what is siblings what is descendant okay sibling means same one father with different genes for me my brother is a sibling another brother is a sibling sister also sibling following ancestors my father is a my ancestor my grandfather is ancestor my grandfather is ancestors okay same parent immediate parent who is my parent x child who is my immediate child okay contains means for example this is the user management same again you are showing the user management here contains same here contains same but some it is user management this is user text so after this user some text will be available by using contains I will get the text start with for example after creating user account one id will be generated for every page మీరు ఎక్కడైనా you went to some application you registered for ration or something some id will be generated see in the id first elements are what id number 1234 hyphen generated see this generated is common to all the persons but this number is unique by using with the start with we can take this unique element ends with the same descendant means child subchild ancestors are చెప్పాను కదా father forefather before father in the same way descendant means child subchild is defined as a descendant okay guys okay Rashekar
Okay, bro. Thank you.
we will discuss a lot and lot into the sessions on the forthcoming sessions regarding this okay on today's class what we discussed we discussed about actions class actions class are used to perform keyboard and mouse operations coming to mouse operations what are the operations we can perform move to element click double click right click
Right.
in which what is the method used to perform double right click operation
Content.
content text context click okay very important this is this method don't confuse guys very important that's all about the today's session tomorrow we'll take as we'll complete this actions class tomorrow complete this leftover actions class, and I'm going to explain you the how to handle frames. Okay guys, tomorrow I'm going to take how to handle frames. Okay, that's all from my side. You have any questions, or I wind up this session? Okay guys, I am taking no